What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a leather sap. This is like a kind of a self-defense weapon, I guess. It's just a cool idea, and I thought I'd give it a shot. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. I went ahead and got these cut out and the holes punched. We got the middle spot. This is where all my shot is going to go. I'm going to be using just BBs. I don't have any lead shot, or else I would use that. But what we're going to do next is we're going to dye all this black using steel wool and vinegar mixture. This is just something I keep in a jar. This works for leather and for wood. You'll see this will change pretty quick. See how instantly it starts changing color? And it'll continue to darken as it dries. And then after you do this step, you have to neutralize it in a bath of baking soda water. Once it's darkened up to your liking, I'm going to start darkening as it sits there while we continue this. Alright, got some water here. Just gonna add some baking soda. Alright y'all, I'm not quite sure where we last left off, but I got all these. They're all dried and finished. I got all of them neutralized with the baking soda mixture. Now instead of doing BBs for this spot right here, I went ahead and took some fishing sinkers. It was exactly like this. It was a 5 ounce and a 2 ounce, 7 ounces of lead. Just grabbed an old crappy pan and grabbed some vice grips and melted it with a blowtorch. I poured it into a mold and I just carved out a piece of wood the shape of that. And now we got a block of lead, 7 ounce block of lead that'll go in here. Yeah, so that's how we're going to be doing this. Let's get this thing sewed up. Alright y'all, I'm calling that a finished product. What do y'all think? I think it turned out pretty good. Not perfect, my edges aren't perfect. Should have left a little bit more room so I could sand them more flush. And yeah, it's not bad. It's got some weight to it. It grips your hand good. Ain't going nowhere. That sucker hurts. I'd call that a success. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And if any of y'all be interested in one of these, let me know. Email and my Instagram are in the video description. Reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to make you one. So, yeah. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're almost at 500 subscribers. I think we're like 12 away. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Peace.